multiply the following number. First one, 203 into 3. First we have to multiply 3 with 3, then with 0, then with 2. So write 3 table in the upper till we get 3 into 3. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9. So write 9 here. Now we have to multiply 3 with 0, 3 into 0 is 0, so write 0 here. Now we have to multiply 3 with 2, 3 into 2 is 6, so write 6 here. 203, when multiplied by 3, we get 609. Next term, 125 into 14. First we have to multiply 125 with 4, then with 1. First we have to multiply 4 and 5. Write 4 table in the upper up to 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20. So take this 2 and write it as a carry over the next digit. Take the 0 and write it below 5 and 4. Now we have to multiply 4 with 2. 4 into 2 is 8. Add the carry 2 to it. It becomes 10. So write 10 in the upper. Take this 1 and write it as a carry over the next digit. And take the 0 and write it before 0. Now we have to multiply 4 with 1. 4 into 1 is 4. Add the carry 1 to it. It becomes 5. So write 5 here. Now we have to multiply 125 with 1. First we have to multiply 1 with 5. 1 into 5 is 5. So leave one space and write 5 below 0. Now we have to multiply 1 with 2. 1 into 2 is 2. So write 2 before 5. Next we have to multiply 1 with 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So write 1 before 2. Now the multiplication part is over. We have to add these numbers. So for 0, write 0 here. 0 plus 5 is 5. So write 5 here. 5 plus 2 is 7. Write 7 here. There is 1 here. So write 1 here. 125 when multiplied by 14, we get 1750. Next one, 534 into 710. First we have to multiply 534 with 0, then with 1, then with 7. Now 0 into 4 is 0, so write 0 here. 0 into 3 is 0, write 0 here. 0 into 5 is 0, write 0 here. Now 1 into 4 is 4, so leave one space and write 4 below 0. 1 into 3 is 3, so write 3 before 4. 1 into 5 is 5, so write 5 before 3. Now we have to multiply 7 with 4. So write 7 table in the upper till we get 7 into 4. 7 into 4 is 28. So take this 2 and write it as a carry over the next digit. And take this 8 and write it leaving 2 spaces below 3. Now we have to multiply 7 with 3. 7 into 3 is 21. Add the carry 2 to it. It becomes 23. So write 23 in the upper. Take this 2 and write it as a carry over the next digit. Take this 3 and write it before 8. Now we have to multiply 7 with 5. 7 into 5 is 35. Add the carry 2 to it. 35 plus 2 is 37. So write 37 in the upper. Now there is no digit here to put the carry over. So take this 37 and write it before 3. Now the multiplication part is over. We have to add these numbers. So there is 0 here. So write 0 here. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 3 plus 8, 11. So write 1 here and 1 here. Now we have to add 5, 3 and the carry 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. Add the carry 1. It becomes 9. So write 9 here. There is 7 here. So write 7 here. There is 3 here. So write 3 here. 534. When multiplied by 710, we get 3,79,140. Next one, 256 into 506. First we have to multiply 256 with 6, then with 0, then with 5. So first we have to multiply 6 with 6. Now 6 into 6 is 36. So take the 3 and write it as a carry over the next digit. Take the 6 and write it below 6 and 6. Now we have to multiply 6 with 5. 6 into 5 is 30. Add the carry 3 to it. It becomes 33. So take this 3 and write it as a carry over the next digit. Take this 3 and write it before 6. Now we have to multiply 6 with 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Add the carry 3 to it. It becomes 15. Now there is no digit here to put the carry over. So take this 15 and write it before 3. Now we have to multiply 0 with 6. 0 into 6 is 0. So leave one space and write 0. Then 0 into 5 is 0. So write 0 here. 0 into 2 is 0. So write 0 here. Now we have to multiply 256 with 5. First we have to multiply 5 with 6. 5 into 6 is 30. So take this 3, write it as a carry over the next digit. Take the 0 and write it, leaving 2 spaces. Now we have to multiply 5 with 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Add the carry 3 to it, it becomes 28. So take this 2 and write it as a carry over the next digit. Take this 8 and write it before 0. Now we have to multiply 5 with 2. 5 into 2 is 10. Add the carry 2 to it. It becomes 12. So there is no digit here to put the carry over. So take this 12 and write it before 8. Now the multiplication part is over. We have to add these numbers. There is 6 here, so write 6 here. There is 3 here, so write 3 here. That is 3 plus 0, 3. Then 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. There is 2 here, so write 2 here. There is 1 here, so write 1 here. 256, when multiplied by 506, we get 1,29,536.